Proceed to make is Among Us. You know, my clay figures is the red one, the red one, the black one, the yellow one, yeah, the yellow one, and the green one. This is the most funniest. Yeah, these are for the second week. These are for the next week. The next week is the clay figures for the next week. Yeah, it's for the next week right now. This is gonna be allowed in the next week only. And yeah, the Among Us clay figures. I kill you. Among Us really this. So my clay figures, I have made this for a hat. So I'll make more clay figures. So just yeah, this is my main account for now.